Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information. Today, we're going to give you the tech's perspective on washers. Me personally, I prefer the um, speed queens. The reason I prefer the speed queens is one, because the technology really hasn't changed a whole lot. They've kept something good and left it good. Okay. Now, no, are they the most energy efficient? No. Do they claim to be? No. But they are the same basic design, basic function that you grew up with back in the, for my age, the 70s and 80s. For the younger generation, they have. Because we look at it, okay, these are full-sized tubs, full-sized washers and dryers, okay. Now the thing about these is, if you look up here, small, medium, large, so you can go back to when you grew up, large load, boom, it's going to fill the machine all the way up, okay. Now they have added the autofill for the conservative to save energy and stuff, but the technology in this, the motors, the mounts, the pumps are all basically the same they've had since they bought the design, I want to say from Amana many, many years ago, which basically was a good design. It will last you a very long time. Now, nothing against the other stuff, but this stuff is old, proven technology that works. Yes, they've made them more efficient, but they are a good quality appliance. They will last you a lot longer. These are, like I said, they're a little more expensive, but at the same token, you'll get more out of them. So basically, it's tomato potato. Okay. So, like I said, if you're looking for a good old school washers and dryers, the Speed Queens are the good old stuff. And the Speed Queen, yes, it's the stuff you see in the laundromats. So it's the same company that makes all that. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to tune in next week for some more wonderful information. Have a good day.